Do you want to learn AI? Are you curious about how this cutting-edge technology is shaping our world? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, the goal is to break down the concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, into digestible pieces, and guide you through the process of understanding this revolutionary technology. So, sit back and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI. First off, what is AI? In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Now, how does one go about learning AI? The first step is understanding the basics of AI. This includes knowledge of programming languages like Python and R, and a basic understanding of statistics and algorithms. Next, get a grasp on machine learning. This is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. The third step is delving into deep learning. This is a further subset of machine learning that imitates the working of the human brain in processing data for use in decision-making. Now, on to the practical part. Start experimenting with AI. There are numerous online platforms where you can practice and hone your AI skills. These platforms offer a wide range of exercises that can help you understand the practical aspects of AI. Finally, keep up with the latest developments in the field of AI. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and keeping up with these changes is crucial to truly understanding and mastering this technology. To sum up, learning AI involves understanding the basics, getting a grip on machine learning and deep learning, practicing your skills on different platforms, and staying updated with the latest in AI. This journey may seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, take the first step today and embark on this exciting journey of learning AI. The future is AI, and the future is now.